everyone, Sherry Lynn here. Today's recipe is a 1 skillet pork chop with a cheesy garlic cream sauce that's so easy to make and it is absolutely delicious. Low carb, keto approved. I know you guys are gonna love it. Check it out. So for this recipe, what you're gonna need is 4 boneless pork chops, a 1/3 cup of chicken broth, some olive oil, Italian seasoning, salt and pepper, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 ounce of cream cheese, 3 garlic cloves minced, a half medium onion diced, a half cup of shredded cheddar, and a 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. And the first thing we're going to do is put a little bit of olive oil in a fry pan, and we're just going to brown these pork chops until they're brown on both sides, and then we'll take them off and work on the sauce. So what you want to do is just drizzle a little bit of olive oil, probably about a tablespoon, in a pan. You want to turn that on and let the oil get nice and hot. So now that our oil's hot, we're going to want to go ahead and add the pork chops. It should sizzle when it hits the pan. Now to this, go ahead and add your half medium diced onion and your 3 minced cloves of garlic. And just go ahead and stir that around. That garlic and onion smells so good already. But all you're gonna do is cook the pork chops a couple minutes on each side. You just wanna brown each side, and then we're gonna remove them from the heat. And you wanna continue to stir your onions and garlic. You don't want them to burn, but you do want them to get nice and tender. Okay, go ahead after 3 or 4 minutes, check your pork chops. When they start to brown, go ahead and give them a flip, and you just wanna brown up the other side. You can kind of push the onions over to one side that's less on the heat to keep them from overcooking. So once your pork chops are brown on both sides, we're going to want to go ahead and take them off the heat and just set them aside. Now go ahead and reduce your heat to a medium-low, and we're going to start working on the sauce. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go in and add a 1/3 of chicken broth. And go ahead and scrape all the juices, get your onions and garlic right into that. If it's still boiling rapidly, take it down in the heat because you do want to add the cream to this when it's not so hot. So to this, go ahead and add about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning and some salt and pepper. And once it's not boiling anymore, you'll want to go ahead and add your 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Mix that up in there. And to this, you'll want to add your cheddar cheese, your Parmesan cheese, and your 1 ounce of cream cheese. And then go ahead and melt this up. Okay, once your cream cheese is completely melted, you have this nice rich sauce. And what you do now is go ahead and put your pork chops back into this. And you're going to simmer it until the pork chops are no longer pink in the middle. And this takes about, I flip them halfway through, so I'd say about another 4 minutes on each side. So go ahead and put those right back in, along with any of the juices that might have come out. Go ahead and flip them over once. So after you've cooked them about 8 minutes total, 4 minutes on each side, they should be done. You can go ahead and cut one down the middle just to make sure that there's no pink. Go ahead and give your sauce one last stir. And there you have it. Pork chops with a garlic cheesy cream sauce. It's so good. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try. The house smells delicious, so I can't wait to eat this. Oh my God, so good. I think you guys are really gonna enjoy it. Definitely give this a try. Leave me comments. I love interacting with you guys. If you like these recipes, make sure to subscribe. And if you hit the bell, then you'll get notified when a new recipe is posted. Hope you guys enjoy it. See you next week. Bye.